Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how we can use explicit wait on any web element, okay, of any website, and also how we can verify that web element is displayed or not, okay, and also how we can verify how we can get the title using get title from any website, and also how we can verify whatever the actual and expected title those are equal or not. Okay, so that is our requirement using Selenium Java test ng. So let's start. Okay, so first for test ng we know that to run any test any method we have to use @test. Okay, and what is this enabled equal to true. Okay, so here what is this if we given enable equal to true, so then it will run. So by default any method, even if we don't give it, okay, suppose we don't give it, that is also considering enable equal to true. So means we need to consider this method. Suppose under one class, okay, suppose here verify login, that is the class, under that class suppose there are multiple methods, okay, and everyone is indicating @test. So then if we are mentioning enable true or we are not mentioning enable true, then all the method will run. Okay, suppose we don't want all the method, okay, then we can mention like this enable equal to false. If we mention enable equal to false, then this method, okay, public void login page, this method will not run, and this is available in test engine. Okay, and if we don't mention, or if we mention enable equal to true, then it will consider this method and it will run. Okay, so in that manner we can decide which method to run or which method not to trigger. Okay, so I'm giving here enable equal to true. Even if I don't give, it will run. Okay, so then I'm then driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, so here we are initializing the driver, then we are doing driver.get, and here we are giving the URL. Okay, so if we give this URL, okay, let's open it. So this is the sample website we are using for our automation testing. Okay, then we are doing driver.manage.window.maximize. So we can maximize the screen, okay, using this code. Then we are using WebDriver wait w1. Okay, so this is a object we are creating of this WebDriver wait class. Okay, and here it is the explicit wait we are using, and equal to new WebDriver wait driver comma duration of second, so 20 second. Okay, so like that it will wait for 20 second for this wait. Okay, then we are using this element web element e1, and we are using this wait w1 dot until expected conditions. So if you see, there are many conditions are available under this explicit wait, and here we are using visibility of web element by dot xpath, and this is the line. Okay, this is the xpath which we are using. Okay, so if this is visible, the xpath, whatever the element we are mentioning under this xpath, okay, if this is visible, then we will consider the next step till it will wait. So let's see it how we can do that. Okay, so this line, so we are waiting for this line to be available. Okay, this is, so here if you see h1, okay, h1 is the tag name, and it contains what, it contains sample web page. Okay, web page for automation testing, sample web page for automation testing. So content text is what? Text is sample web page. We don't need to write the whole that sample web page for automation practice. We can contents, we can give any of the values. Okay, so we have given here the text which is available sample web page. Okay, and here we can give, if you give a dot here, okay, expected condition, here we can use this, okay, conditions. So alert is present, then expected condition, attribute content. Okay, so there are many conditions are available, there are many conditions are available under this explicit weight. Okay, so element to be clickable, element selection state to be, element state to be, or selection state to be. Okay, here the locator and the boolean selected, element to be clickable. Okay, like that. Frame to be available and switch to, frame to be available and switch to. Okay, with different return type. Okay, so like that we can use it as per our requirement. We can use any of the conditions. Here we are using visibility of element located by dot xpath. So once this is available, okay, this is visible, this xpath, then we are doing an assert. Okay, assert is available in test ng, assert dot assert true. So if E1, this one is displayed, then it will go to the next step. Okay, so this is hard assert we are using, assert dot assert to E1 dot is displayed, so it has to be true. Okay, then it will go to the next. Okay, then what we are doing, we are taking a string variable s1. Okay, there we are storing driver dot get title. So get title we are storing here, driver dot get title. Okay, so of the website, and here also we are giving s2 equal to sample web page for automation testing practice art of testing. So this is the expected. Okay, s2 is the expected. So we are printing out system.out println title of the web page. Okay, here we can win actual title. Actual title of web page, and we can print the s2 also. Expected title of web page. Okay, s2 also. So we are printing both. Then if s1 dot equals to s2, then we are mentioning titles are equal. So s1 and s2. Okay, then we are using thread dot sleep. Okay, 3 seconds we are waiting, and then driver dot quit. So it will close all the open browser. So in that manner we can achieve it. Okay, so let's run it, let's see how we can achieve it. Okay, so it's loaded. Okay, okay, so it got pass. Okay, so here if you could see, okay, the actual title of web page and the expected title of web page and titles are equal. Okay, this is getting printed. Okay, so here it is match, right? If s1 dot equals to s2, then only it will get printed. So here we could see it is getting printed. Okay, titles are equal, so that's mean both the title are equal, so that's why it is getting printed. So please practice it, it is very important. Okay, interview question. So it is frequently asked question. You can see to verify the login page. Okay, or whether any element is displayed or not, how we can achieve it. Okay, so that time we need to use explicit wait, because particular one web element we need to check whether that is visible or not. So an explicit weight is applicable for a particular web element. In case of implicit weight, it is waiting for the whole web element. Okay, it is applicable for the whole web element of any page. So if we are asked in an interview that we check whether that web element is displayed or not, so in that case we have to use the explicit weight, and then we have to use asset to that web element is displayed or not, or is selected or not, okay, or is enabled or not. Those condition we have to use, okay, as per our requirement. So please practice it and let me know if any other doubt on this topic, okay, and please let me know if any other doubt on this topic. So, and please subscribe my channel and let me know if you have any doubt in the comment section. Also like my video and share with your friends also, okay. So that's all for today. I will come up with another new video, okay, on the next day. So till then, have a nice day. Thank you all. Okay, bye.